Okay, so I'm going to talk about sort of exporting some line work to clean up and then maybe bring back in to create a um, filled region in a section, to cover up Revit's sort of piecemeal section stuff. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my cross section, which is this guy. So if I come down and go to my cross section, right, here it is. So I'm looking at this guy and I'm just going to duplicate this guy. And I'm going to right click on it and I'm going to rename it cross section EXP for export. And I'm going to come in and view hide that guy. And I'm going to turn off some of the stuff that I don't want. Let's do this first. First, I'm going to come in and I'm going to take the scope box off of it, and I'm going to change the far clip offset to like 3 inches. And it's going to clip out everything. I mean, you could even go to, 0.5 inches, right? Because everything that's going to be clipped is going to be, that you want to have sectioned, is going to be in this plane. And then once you get to this point, you want to come in and if you want to hide something like, hide in view this guy, if you don't want that in the section, basically what I'm going to try to do is sort of get a section, out of this section line, out of this, so I can come back in and put a detail region around it. And I'm going to use CAD to do that because it's a little easier, at least in my opinion, to do that. So the next thing I'm going to do is come in and I'm just going to go to course. So it's just going to come in and give me the outlines of things and not all those millions of other lines. So you can see I've got a bit of a mess, and I'm just going to have to come in here and kind of clean it up a little bit. So I'm just going to, at this point, I'll just going to go to File and Export and go to DWG. And the only thing I'm going to really check for this one is I'm going to go to the General and make sure that I have it in a format that I can use. I have AutoCAD 2019, so this is fine, but you just need to double check that. I'm going to click OK here. I'm going to go to Next. And then I'm going to come in and I'm going to name this file and I'm going to save it. So let's go ahead and we'll save it right here is fine. And that name is fine. If you do not know what this means, uncheck it. Okay. And then click OK. So I've now created that AutoCAD file list, and when I come back, I will open that AutoCAD file and modify it.